Aloha. Now I live in Hawaii. It's official. We finally made it, me and the dogs. It's been a couple months since my last post. I apologize for the delay. There's just a lot of timing with the dogs, embargoes and whatnot. Everything's still intact for the most part. Got a little bit of mold I gotta take care of. Trying to run the solar panel, but it ain't working. The only thing that I do have to fix other than the mold is the pigs got in here like crazy, bro. Like, all this used to be walkway with like rocks and like smaller rocks like that one. Now it's a pig pen. Over here, I got into it right there, all over. So it's a pig pen. And then last night, whenever I got in, the water tank was actually knocked over. So I had to unhook it from this tarp, and the pigs went through my trash. But no big deal. I'm surprised they didn't tear it apart worse. They were probably like, yeah, we get fed by the neighbors. But anyway, this was falling over, so I have no rainwater. My toilet's still good, and look who's here with me now. 2 puppy dogs. So we made it. It is official. Been trying to clean up the tent, get it organized. Got to get their cages out of the car. Return the car today. Gonna run some errands, get some more supplies. Oh, I'm also getting chickens today, which is sweet, but a little overwhelming because I'm not ready for them, but I am ready for chicken eggs. All right, it is the next day. I got a little busy yesterday after getting supplies, returning the rental car. My neighbor picked me up and I hung out with him all day. He showed me around the neighborhood, gave me some inspiration, but the dogs are making a damn mess with all this mud. Gonna have to figure something out. But here's the supplies I got. Just some fencing, some mix, some potting soil, some chicken feed. I didn't get the chickens yesterday because I didn't have time, and people wanted to change it to today anyway. Got the solar panels out charging. I just sprayed the tent with some mildew spray, so hopefully that helps with all this crap. It already looks like it's helping. Yeah, look, you can see the difference where the spray has already like done its work versus not. Bro, that's crazy. That was quick. Probably just do a couple sprays. Still got plenty of the bottle, and then probably hit it with a waterproofing spray after. I didn't grab waterproofing spray, but I should have. I'll have to go back to the store. Today's plan is to get a chicken coop kind of set up underneath the decking, and the pigs, they made so much mud everywhere. It's all muddy over here. The dogs are not enjoying the mud. So the other goal is to chop down some ferns in the back, bring them up here. Might actually clear out all these ferns right here, just to give the dogs some more playing area, and the chickens can start eating in there and stuff. It's always enjoying the sun. So yeah, that's the plans for today. Handle the mud, put up or figure out fencing, and get chickens. So be sweet. All right, today's really hot. Just had lunch. It was pizza, real good. But I've been debating what I want to do with the fencing, because I've got chickens on the way today or tomorrow. Hopefully today for sure, because I want eggs sooner than later. But 2 of the chickens that are showing up won't be laying eggs for like a month, and then the other 6 should already be laying eggs, which those are probably going to show up tomorrow. So I don't know what to do with the fence. I'm debating if I want to like put up the fence right here, then go behind the tent, and then like block off the garden, so that way the chickens and the dogs don't go into the garden, and then cutting it back up right here, and then maybe putting like a little gate to the trail system. It's just this spot is temporary, but I know I'm probably going to be here for at least 6 months to a year. So I need to like also think about that. And then my other thought is, should I just border off the bottom of the tent platform, because then I can keep the chickens under there for the next 2 weeks to tame them. Really don't know what to do yet. Still debating. Probably won't have this fence done in this video, so let me know what you guys think I should do. Yeah, because I really don't know. It's hard. All right, so now what I am doing is planting tomato seeds. I got my bag of soil here. Now I'm taking water bottles, filling them up with soil halfways, putting the seeds in there. Zoe's trying to help. Thanks, dude. And then putting the caps back on, like this one. Let's see, slides on enough. That'll hold moisture in there, help the plants get going a little bit quicker. So it seems like the best option. That way I don't have to throw away the tops of the bottles and can just keep reusing them. Gonna reuse these bottoms probably for a long time. Lots of plants that I can grow out of just one bottle. But these are my tomatoes. Big ones and little ones. I'm excited for the little ones. I love little ones. But the big ones will be good for tomato sauce. Anyway, I'm gonna do all my bottles. I got like 10 bottles. Hopefully that'll be enough. And then I got some other things to plant, but I'm not gonna show that on camera. Okay, these are all my tomatoes. I don't know which ones are which. It doesn't really matter. Still gonna end up being tomatoes. Just gonna put a little bit of water in there. It's probably good. Oh, okay. Dropped off the cage at the neighbor's yard to catch me 6 chickens. And I got these 2. Got them for $10 each. The other ones are free, except for one chicken is $20. Look at the big old turd. Look at the big old turd that came out of his butt. It's crazy. But I got to keep them in there for like a few days, maybe a week or 2. And then they'll be good to go. Zoe's interested. Zoe, you gonna protect them chickens? All right. Well, I lost one of my chickens. I was putting bedding in there and it ran out. And Zoe put her head in the way so I couldn't close the gate. Helped them get out. I still have one of them. I think the other one is just like right here in the front yard. Put down a bunch of seed or food for it. Hopefully it'll stay close. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but the white chicken has returned. Not fully yet. I'm gonna have to wait on it. It's talking to the black chicken. Oh, this is so great. They're talking to each other. I just woke up, so don't mind the hair. It's always crazy anyway. But the chicken laid an egg, but it's like soft. Ain't no way I'm eating that. We're like, what the hell? I gotta figure out what's wrong with this chicken. Okay, after doing a little research, the chicken needed more calcium in its diet. The new food I got it is very high in calcium, so should be good after a week or 2 maybe of eating that. These chickens were like full-on free range beforehand, so guess they weren't getting calcium because shouldn't be able to do this with an egg. It was so weird. Only in Hawaii do you skateboard in the rain with a chicken that you just picked up from your neighbor. Oh, chicken! Alright, you guys, I think that's a good video for chickens. Getting back to the land, the first couple days actually living here. We're in Hawaii now for good. I hope that you do subscribe and like whatever. You know, if you didn't like the video, then don't like it. Let me know, though. Anyway, I'll see y'all in the next one. I didn't come up with an outro, but peace.